starting in few minutes. Before now, we would like to thank our generous sponsors for the big event, starting off with HX Finance and Credit Company Limited, A-Bank Door to Door, Cebu Pacific, Metro Manila, Sigurado Cavite, LBC, Smartphone, SMBC, True Credit, Metroland Realty, Company Finance, and Dusty Joy Travel and Tours.
Nagparit na. Kaya naman yung book ng bookmark ay ng pandito. Oo ah. Sabi yung book ng Umadek. Wala na kasi nakalagay sa schedule na doon na sila sa consulate. Umalis na sila? Meron yata pero wala na yung ano dito. Wala na yung book nila.
Once again, thank you so much to Global Alliance